At around 10:30 p.m. local time on the 21st of January 2021, a truck carrying sticks of blasting gelatin exploded at a boulder crushing facility in Abalagere, in Shivamogga district, Karnataka, India. The tremors caused by the explosion were felt in Shivamogga, Chikmagalur and Davanagere districts. 8 people were killed. Eyewitnesses reported broken window panes and cracked roads. The tremors were initially mistaken for an earthquake, but geologists ruled out the possibility. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, and Rahul Gandhi, the President of the Congress Party, condoled the deaths on Twitter, with Modi stating he was pained by the loss of lives, and Gandhi calling the incident tragic. On the same day as the incident, B.S. Yediyurappa, Chief Minister of Karnataka, ordered an investigation into the explosion. This Karnataka-related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.